Hey, this is my affiliate Triad review. It's a program I've been in for a couple of months now and want to take a few minutes to show you my results and let you know that they're opening the doors again for membership, but just for a few days. Chances are you're going to see this video and it's already too late, but I did want to take the opportunity at least to let you guys know about it and tell you that if the doors are still open, get in on this thing. I'm going to show you why. This is the webinar registration page for the webinar that's coming up. At the time of this recording, it's going to start in 2 days and 12 hours. You can get here by going to triad.expertuniversity.com. I'll put that link down in the discussion. Okay, so first of all, what is this and why should you consider it? Well, I make money online a lot of different ways. I've been making money online since 2002. I've been self-employed since 1983. All right, little gray in the hair, been around the block. I've done a lot of different businesses. What I've discovered about making money online, especially with a program like Affiliate Triad, is that there's only a few ways to be able to consistently make good money online. Affiliate marketing happens to be one of those ways, but it has to be affiliate marketing done the right way, because it's one of those kind of, I don't know, sleazy. It has a little bit of a sleazy underbelly to it because so many people are out there promoting garbage. All right. So how do you stay away from the garbage? Well, you have to get connected with the people in affiliate marketing that are way up the food chain. I'm talking about people that have generated tens or even $100 million in online revenue. And the problem is when you have somebody like this that's promoting affiliate programs, or they come up with affiliate programs, it's tough to get accepted to be an affiliate. So it's kind of like an oxymoron, if you will, a catch-22. To promote the best affiliate programs out there, you need to be a really good affiliate program promoter. You need some experience. You need a reputation, if you will, because good program creators are not going to let unproven people go out there and promote their programs. Why? Because they do it the wrong way. They lie, they overinflate results, they make up fake results. They do everything they can to try to get people to sign up so that they can earn a commission. They don't really care about you. They don't even care about what the program does. They just want to earn commissions. That's always been the problem with affiliate marketing. So what's the solution? The solution is Affiliate Triad. Affiliate Triad is run by Rapid Crush. And if you have ever heard of Rapid Crush, you know these guys are the real deal. Been around a long time. They hold records for affiliate contests. They're always in the top 5 when they promote. And when they create a program of their own or promote somebody else's, it's always vetted. It's always top shelf. It's good stuff. So if you want to be making money in affiliate marketing, you want to get hooked up with people like this. Used to be darn near impossible if you didn't have a lot of experience in affiliate marketing. Rapid Crush is making it possible now through their Affiliate Triad program, because their mission is to really empty the swamp, if you will, to do affiliate marketing the right way so that we can be promoting programs that we're proud of, programs we would let our own family in on to make money with. That's how vetted these programs are. Then the other thing you want to do is make sure you're going to get paid, right? These guys are going to get you paid, all right? They guarantee payment. They pay on time. The programs that they promote and tell you to promote, present to you to promote, are top shelf programs. So refunds, while you can always have refunds, but they're industry low averages. All right, so this is the webinar registration page. When you actually sign up for Affiliate Triad, you're actually getting a whole training program all about affiliate marketing. They actually use Kartra as their base to launch these programs from. So you get like a master's degree in Kartra. They do these member spotlights. So as members are successful with the program, they'll interview them so you can learn more and more. They provide all kinds of resources for you to generate lists, keep your list warm, engage with your list, build your list. They talk about all the tech side of things. This was the June promotion. It was a challenge promotion. Quite amazing. I didn't participate in that one. I didn't really get started with until July when they did Product E-Class. I did 2 promotions with them so far, Product E-Class and this one called Social Covers. Now, Product E-Class, if we come over here, this is my Kartra board, you'll see my commissions earned from that one promotion was $15,475 on $33,000 in revenue. All right. I did this other promotion that was called Social Covers, and that one is being tracked through this over here. Let me find my ledger. Here we go. $9,058 in commissions earned on Social Covers. So what is that? Like $23,000 in commissions? I'm telling you, I've never had such easy money. The great thing about affiliate marketing is, you do what they tell you. You present the programs that are top shelf. Everybody else does the work. You're just collecting the money. And after the program is sold, it's the program creator fulfilling on everything. That's what I love about affiliate marketing. And in the past, it's always been nickels and dimes. You're promoting a $19 product, the typical ClickBank kind of stuff. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. I'm just saying if you want to make real commissions, you need to be promoting some higher ticket programs, even if it's a $500 program. But they have done $500 programs, $2,500 programs. I think they have another $2,000 program coming out. When you're promoting the higher ticket products, you make higher commissions. And the commissions they negotiate are amazing. I believe this was probably a 70% commission, if I remember right, and whatnot. So basically what you want to do is register for this webinar, all right? Go listen to what he has to say about Affiliate Triad. Give it a try. If it's not for you, it's not for you, but it's worth looking at. Like I said, I've never made any easier money than with Affiliate Triad's programs. They give you all of the marketing materials, and if you don't have a list, they'll train you on how to build a list. Matter of fact, they have they call it a traffic co-op, so you can actually get involved. Share, if you want to invest in paid traffic, you can share in their co-op, let them do all the work, and they give you the leads. So this is one of those things that if you're not doing now, but you're thinking you might be interested in doing down the road, do it now. The quicker you get started, the quicker that you can begin building your list if you don't have one. If you already have a list, this is push button easy. It's crazy how easy this is if you already have a list. If you don't have a list, you need to start, and there's no better time than to start now, and there's no better people to start with than Rapid Crush and the Affiliate Triad program. Take care.